a lot of concern on portion. A lot of concern on portion. PM Pradhan Mantri Poshan Shakti Nirman, erstwhile national program for midday meal in schools. Midday meal in schools. 5,205 crores are lying in the state accounts. And this is for Poshan Abhiyan. And here I hear voices. प्रधानमंत्री जी, बच्चों का न्यूट्रिशन के ऊपर आपको कोई ध्यान नहीं है क्या? अरे पैसा आपके अकाउंट में है भाई, यूटिलाइज करो। हमने तो दे दिया पैसा, आप क्यों नहीं यूटिलाइज कर रहे हो? मुझसे पहले हमें क्यों पूछ रहे हो? So, go use it. This document is available. Have a look at it if I'm saying anything abrupt. So next, sir, these are not chota mota amounts. These are big amounts. I want to ask question therefore. Sir, flexible pool for RCH and health system. Sir, I've heard health minister Jagat Prakash Nadda ji. No, you can always ask me, Supriya ji, all the questions, but I've heard you all. I want to come up with my answer. Please have patience and you may ask me again. But if I'm telling you anything that which is not already available with you, I'll be ready to answer. Financial blockade. They charged us with financial blockade allegation. Like every other state, sir, PM Awas Yojana Gramin is being implemented in West Bengal since 2016-17. The government has released 25,798 crore as central share to the state since 2016-17. 25,798 crore, only central share. It's gone. However, complaints of irregularities, I will give you. Complaints of irregularities in the implementation of PM Awas Yojana Gramin, including a selection of ineligible households from Awas 2018 Awas Plus, removal of eligible households and branding violations were received.
We are hearing this allegation for last 3 years.
There have been similar complaints about Mandrega. Ministry Rural Development is engaging with West Bengal and for a satisfactory reply. Sir, now I come to the specific data. It's ironical that Trinamool, which means grassroots, grassroots, Congress that prides itself on being rooted in the grassroots now symbolizes harassment and denial of rights to the common people in the grassroots. I'll give you examples for that, sir. 25 lakh fake job cards in Mandrega. Funds meant for people at the grassroots have been looted by the carders. 100 crore midday meal fraud. 100 crore midday meal fraud. Ration mafia thriving in the state on grassroots level. Ayushman Bharat was blocked and denied health care the poor living in the grassroots. 43% tap water coverage in Bengal as opposed to 74% national average. 74% national average, Bengal is at 43%. That's the average. Sir, important. Capital formation crashed from 6.7% in 2010 to 2.9% in the recent years. No jobs, no factories, no vision. That's Bengal for you, sir. Industrial powerhouse. Bengal was industrial powerhouse. 24% share when in 1947 during independence Bengal had 24% share in manufacturing. Today it has 3.5% share. Bengal's per capita income Bengal's per capita income growth lags behind the national average. For the last 20 years, per capita income of Bengal lags behind the national average for last 20 years. It's ranked 23rd. In 21-22, it was 23rd among all states of India. Sir, Trinamool Congress has institutionalized corruption, gutted institutions, and Trinamool has become a byword for exploitation. Trinamool has become a byword for exploitation, sir. Now, can I then suggest, because बजट बंगाल विरोधी बजट बोला गया, मैं क्या पूछना चाहती हूं अभी, तृणमूल विरोधी टीएमसी हो गया है क्या? तृणमूल विरोधी टीएमसी है, तृणमूल जनता विरोधी है। अरे sir, I'm coming to the last few things, sir. Accuse me politically. Sir, MSME sector, sir, is ignored and not in good health is an allegation which very many members, Member Dharamveer Gandhi mentioned it, Benny Behanan mentioned it, Rajat Bordaloy mentioned it, that MSME sector has been ignored. I want to say, sir, in this budget itself, we have mentioned, I'll bet you. MSME, sir, is the backbone of Indian economy. It is among the foremost engines of driving the Indian economy. We have increased, MSMEs are providing employment to over 25 crore people during the same period. So we have increased their classification so that they can benefit both from being in the MSME and also raising more funds. So micro enterprises currently is 1, revised is 2.5. Micro enterprises current turnover is 5, we've revised it to 10. Small enterprises current is 10 investment, 10 crore. Now we've revised it to 25, and current turnover is at 50, we've revised it to 100. Similarly, for medium enterprises, sir, we have revised it from 50 to 125, and for turnover, 250 to 500. Credit guarantee cover will be enhanced from 5 crore to 10 crore, leading to additional credit of 1.5 lakh crore in the next 5 years. Customized credit card is being given 5 lakh limit for micro enterprises registered in